opanyini bi na oye producer edima eye one musician a ye frɛ no eye kwawo kese dia no de frɛ no eye Fenak na Fenak ewuo bi a na ano odin yi 2014 ho baabi na saa case ekoto dwa ne ade nkofo adwene ho ka ho asɛm ebre no ye hu baabi a abrewa de poma no akwakosi ene ye da ho ene hu sɛ Shatta ene ono ne old anase ne ex manager a efe ne bulldog enya case a obia etoto banta ne nyane se na nakoka sika mpani pai ena emise bulldog so kɔtwete ya ne je kɔtifa so na wei ana bulldog ebedi Shatta atem ena Shatta nso aso camera odinka aso camera ene kwa enra no life kra enra ena obi ebie kiss ewom owie no okɔ ni page so kɔtwete na nsɛm a waka ɛwɔ ne video mu no ɛno nti na police fo ato wɔn nsa de afresh Shatta so wɔn mɛboa for investigation sɛ wɔn sa no minim so match na wɔn de ne kɔ investigation de a minim by say ya ye kasa de police fo de krata ba abonten a Shatta ye hwehwe na sɛ wɔn sa ka na wɔn bɛka me sɛ de wɔn bɛka me yate wɔn bɛboa na wɔn nya investigations nsɛm a Shatta kan ebi nie o say you said one eye bulldog na kasa you. You said former President Mahama asked you if you can get him gunmen to do some job for him, right? Tie comment here or little hole 2 hours ago. Opposed to ya na police for capture screen no. Me see police for no omudi agro social media Omo nam social media so te say event say papa or social media and the kwamra finidin. Police for omo ni nam social media no so every seconds omo nam so. Shatta throw away to one ye capture to Jose Bam. Or say, o can say former President Mahama se ko hwe nipa otimi kum nipa fama no. Obwa. No true with the two. The police didn't can capture sa aka say ya Shatta throw yi. Ana wasan so treaty biem e to ni page so. And so or treaty 2 hours now said you mo kun omo Twitter. Ghana will know. Ghana behunu. When you said tama o can say President Mahama, President Awotwemuko S. Mahama, send you to bring him girls. President Mahama F. Small se kofa ma fa bere wo mo. Ene sa capture we edito ho. Omo Twitter wo, ene omo Twitter naija omo reveal information say ya. Na police capture edisan to ho. We have a second case o. Ena omo san ekọ obiem na onua so da so gusu a wo Twitter anto wo Twitter. Or say, you said Sadiq wants to take your position. Sadiq want to take your position. Position, I'm so trotting because position there means a position from Mahama, and you will deal with him. O can say Sadiq ebeso waji opposition be a free Mahama and say edi free winsem. Na o can say ube deal with him. You know, we will know. Will you know? Will you kill him too? Okay, ubeku ono so ana. Okay, ubeku ono so ana. I'm just asking for someone a boy like that. Ho, serial killer. And was sounds true we edibeto ho. Enti Shatta ewie no was sound beto so say. Abranti efene fenake. Na oye eye kwawo kese manager no. Eno so unua enim ewuo na owuye no enim hu bi enti wotwo ne nsɛm nyinaa wieye no na police capture asa no ma we nyinaa 8 minutes ago no ma capture me say police fo adwuma omo ye no masa so emra ne nyanso omu a on brate omo so omu omo abre bruta say police fo so omu a on omo abre bruta omo ne na media no so ka say omada omo de ekoso bi omo hu no yemfi wa ne yemfi wo omo gada na ade bebo ano no omo so omu no ubon se ano edin yi pa enti wasan so betwero to so se eye Fenaki eye ne boss dada ye fe no eye bulldog enim ni wuo ne hu bi no na police fo ye den esan so e capture sa screen kan ho te se ya ye kasai police fo e de krata ba bonten a omosan eye abrante ye fe no Shatta so ombeboa ne nsɛm ahodo a waka nyina no ombekirem na agya emmo investigations Say John Dramani Mahama esuma ne boss dada e fe ne bulldog. Say onkope nipa otimi kum nipa mre no. Ono betima aboa evidence and so betima aboa hwehwemu investigations. Say John Dramani Mahama esuma na the boss dada e fe ne bulldog. Kwasi sa ma de bre no ne ade and de minim say no so tia mara de a eno so omra na omo cheke. Say John Dramani Mahama eye say odi adwuma ma eye abrantie Sadeke. Na Sadeke yes obeje fi ni nsem. Na okan so obedile with him no. Na sese no obekunu se de okunkum kofo no oye serial killer eno so ode beto ho. Enipa kunkum ba mu se na police fo capture screen da. Yanko kan eye krata police fo de ba abontin November 2nd 2022. Police statement on Shatta Wale's tweet regarding the late Fenak Ochre. Enti Fenak ye odaso yi ede na police gina so de kofa no. But says screen ya me de two so nyina ka ne case ho. Ye so ne mu wi a na ode evidence ni nyina ene ni nchire mu mema police for. Police statement on Shatta Wale's tweet on regarding the late Fenak Ochre. Number 1, the attention of Ghana Police Service has been drawn to a tweet by Charles Ne Ama Mensah Jr., popularly known as Shatta Wale, regarding the death of artist manager Fenak Ochre. Number 2, the police have made contact with Shatta Wale, who is cooperating with us on the matter. Police for etimi abomodin enya Shatta omone na twetwe nkomo na eya Shatta ba be kirikiro mu aboa mansise enhwehwemu no so etimi aye kama wo Twitter wo tweet ye wo ni page so se eye abrante efe de bulldog enim eye Fenak wuyi ehu bi no. Number 3, the police would like to put on record that the recently established cold case unit ti assembly yo where your recently established unit be a form cold case has been working for months on all unresolved murder cases, including that of Fenak Ochre, with support from the affected families. Number 4, the new development from Shatta Wale is therefore going to complement our ongoing investigations. We would like to take this opportunity to thank all the families who have been working with the cold case unit since it established for their cooperation and understanding. We wish to assure the public that the police will continue to work relentlessly on these cases in order to bring closer to the affected family. Grace Ansan Akrofi, Chief Inspector of Police, Director Public Affairs. Enwadi we eba abonten. Enti nsɛm ahodo a ɛyɛ owura Shatta Wale atwerɛtwerɛ ɛwɔ the page so a ano ɔden ɛyɛ nipakum ɛho nkɔmɔ ana akɔfa nsɛm we nyinaa yɛ den ɛde aba. First one na ɔde ba yɛ ɛna da so yi a ɔkyerɛ sɛ ne boss dada ɔyɛ serial killer a okunkum kɔfo. According to Shatta, say and true say no kuru wokudu police a obechire mu de akyerɛ omo. Number 2 so or say